Welcome friends to Pandit Invest. Today we will discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty and few selective stocks for the expiry of 27th May 2021. It is the daily chart of the Nifty and Nifty on last Friday trading sessions, especially Bank Nifty are given a breakout, good breakout. So we can assume that correction has ended and the last leg in progress, and we can see to test a new previous high in Nifty and Bank Nifty in coming days. So friend, this is the daily chart of the Nifty, and you can see the huge bullish engulfing candle has been made, and almost it run 270 points. So we expect on Monday gap up opening near 15,230 or 50 levels, and 15,280 to 15,300 will be the resistance zone, and if that cross, then we might see 15,450 levels to test in this expiry. So 15,400 to 15,550 likely to achieve the target, as you can see that RSI also moving up, so it will be supportive move in Nifty in coming days. If you see the weekly chart, so enough space upside is left, so we can assume from here maybe 16,000 to 17,000 level we can see in the month of June. In the same way, in the Nifty Bank Nifty, we are going to see minimum 40,000 levels in the month of June if close above 36,600 levels in coming days. If you see the daily chart in the Bank Nifty, so we are going to see in this expiry 36,000 minimum levels to test in this expiry 27 May 2021, but it will quite volatile, so be prepared for 1000 point up and 1000 point down during intraday rally. So trade very safely, especially for option traders. So go long in future with stop of Bank Nifty should be 34,000 on closing basis, and target will be 36,000 to 36,600 levels. While talking about some selective stock, definitely ICICI Bank will help Bank Nifty to move. So we can see 570 levels, 670 levels to test again in ICICI Bank. You can keep the stop loss of this candle's low, that is 620, and the target will be 670 in ICICI Bank. Similarly, in case of State Bank of India, if you keep the stop of 380, you can see the target of 425 to 430 levels in State of Bank of India in this expiry. The next stock will be about Balaji Amines. Given a good breakout, so we are assuming that 32,000, so 3,000 to 3,200 will likely the target of Balaji Amines in the next coming days. So you can go along with the stop of this candle 2660 will be the stop, and target will be 3,000 to 3,200. While talking about Tata Steel, the metal counter still is cooling, and I think the rally will resume in next week. If you can see that doji candle formation is made, so if Tata Steel trade above 1136 only, we can see 1150 to 200 levels again in the Tata Steel. If close below 1100, then we might see 1080 to 1050 levels in Tata Steel. So this is for the expiry May 27th May 2021 for the Nifty and this selective stocks. If you like the channel, kindly please like the video. Those who are the new viewers, kindly subscribe this YouTube channel so that you can get all the update in your email. Thank you for watching it.